it's Miss Ainsley. Today we are going to make some sensory dough using Jello, and it's going to be the same color as Elmo, bright red. So for this sensory dough, you're going to need a cup of cornstarch, a 6-ounce pack of strawberry Jello, or I guess you could use cherry since that's also red, and some water, which we're going to add 1 tablespoon at a time. So first we need to mix our dry ingredients. I'm going to put my cornstarch in my mixing bowl, which you'll also need. And we're going to add our red Jello. All right, now that all of our Jello powder is in, it smells like strawberries in here, and we are going to mix our dry ingredients together. Until we get some pink powder. All right, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to bring in my water, and we're going to add water 1 tablespoon at a time. Here's 1 tablespoon of water. I'm going to try to mix as I pour. I'm going for more of a dough consistency. If you want to make more of an oobleck consistency, you will need to add more water than I will. Here's our 3rd tablespoon. And we can see it clumping together now a little bit. I'm going to see if I can break those apart and mix our dough better. It really does smell delicious. And the best part is that since all of these ingredients are related to food, this is a taste-safe dough. I'm going to try getting in here with my hands now. Let's see. Alrighty guys, so I added probably about 6 or 7 tablespoons of water all together, and see how it's coming together now, more as a dough. It's moldable now. I can squeeze it and it holds its shape instead of running through my fingers. So that's kind of what you're looking for. And you can keep kneading it. This is where you want to get in with your hands because that's how it's best to mix it all together. This might stain your hands a little pink, but it will come off as you wash your hands. It's just some coloring from the Jello. I actually think I might add just a little tiny bit more water and see if that helps it become a little less dry and crumbly. And again, this is about you and the textures that you like. So if you like things that are sticky or runny, you can add more water and it will become like an oobleck consistency, which is a little more slimy. And the reason that it'll do that is because cornstarch is an ingredient for oobleck that makes solids act like liquids and vice versa. So it'll look like a solid when it's moving, and then once you touch it, it will become runny and liquidy. All right, that definitely helped. I can now squeeze my dough. See, make a little ball. And I can crumble it. It's kind of like sand. And it still smells very good like strawberries. And again, this is taste safe. So if I were to taste a little piece of it while I was playing, It's fine and it's not going to hurt me. It just tastes like Jello powder. So you can keep kneading, and again, add water if you want to get a more slimy consistency, and you could add more cornstarch or even less water if you'd like to get a drier consistency. So since I wanted my dough to be moldable, I added water until I felt like it fit for me. This is all up to you for your own sensory experience, how much water you'd like to add. So we can see it turned out red, just like Elmo. And if you would like to try other colors of Jello, you could make the characters of other Sesame Street friends, like Oscar or Cookie Monster or Big Bird, with different flavors of Jello, like lemon or lime or whatever blue is, I guess blue raspberry. So, I hope you had fun making the Elmo sensory dough. Again, it is taste safe, but it is not a snack, and you get to make it your own by adding more or less water for your own desired consistency. All right, guys, I will see you next time.